Okay, we want to do something really fun today. We have two options right now. We're down to two. First up, these awesome ice cream socks. My husband is obsessed with ice cream, so I think these would be really fun. And then second option, these golfing socks. I also think that would be fun because we're both not good golfers. We might have some friends with us who are probably really good, so I'll let you know what we decide.